Welcome to Cooking and Storing with Ann and Wayne. We've had our Breville Sous Chef 16 peeling dice now for about 2 weeks, and every time I use it I am so impressed with this machine. But today we're going to do something that I haven't used it for, and that is peel potatoes. I told Wayne I have my doubts that this hard piece of plastic is going to be adequate to peel potatoes, but we're going to check it out and see, and then I'll give you my honest opinion. So we're going to put it together. We just put this little disc spindle in and then put the peeling disc on top of that. Then we put our lid on, drop our potatoes in, and then we have to put the plunger in as a safety feature. We're going to hit the power button and hit start. There's a little timer here, so I let it go for about 20 seconds. So let's see what this did as far as peeling in 20 seconds. Well, I might have to change my opinion. In 20 seconds, it did a fairly good job. It's going to need some touching up, but all in all, it did a better job than what I was anticipating. So again, I'm impressed with this machine. We want to thank you for visiting Cooking and Storing with Ann and Wayne. If you enjoyed the video, please click like, subscribe, and share with your friends. It helps us to grow and produce more videos. Thank you.